Hello, this is an unboxing video for manufacturer number 4928-BK by Arigo. This is a Tactical Intent TI-7 stock. It's black. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box here with you so you can get a better look. Here you have your instructions. The materials are all mil-spec and all the metallic components are stainless steel. Some of the features are it has a slick, contoured shoulder rest. It's comfortable in multiple shooting positions. Special off-style cheek weld. Has storage for batteries or cleaning kits that are accessible while mounted on a weapon. It has a unique attachment method that provides a smooth, rattle-free action, single-handed removal or adjustment. It's made in the U.S. And again, this is the Tactical Intent TI-7 stock. It's black, and this is by Arigo.